Now, Action 10's Cole Vaughn with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Welcome back, everybody. Hopefully you had a chance to step outside last night as we had the first lunar eclipse in quite a while here in the Coastal Bend, and the last one that we're going to have for the next 2.5 years. Here was a picture of it. This is from Andrew and Aaron Medina, local photographers here in the Coastal Bend. Good orange color on the moon, and that's exactly what happened overnight. When that eclipse hit totality, the moon turned a very deep orange color. It also made the sky very dark as well, so you likely saw a lot more stars than what you might otherwise have seen last night. So those temperatures as we go through the next several days are really going to drop for tomorrow, and then they're going to kind of level off. We've got 3 cold fronts in the forecast. The first one is going to be the strongest of them, and then these other 2 are going to be more or less maintenance cold fronts. So they're just going to hold that temperature in check and keep things comfortable for us. Notice though, we go from the 70s tomorrow down to the 50s on Wednesday. So this is going to be a fairly significant drop in what we've got going on here in the Coastal Bend. Outside now, 71 degrees, a beautiful day to be outside. Great day to take a walk out there on shoreline or be out at the T-heads. Also, we've got a bit of a breeze coming in off the Gulf right now, 25 miles per hour. That is increasing the humidity. Humidity now at 53%, dew point at 53 degrees. That dew point is going to be probably closer to 63 by this time tomorrow. As we go throughout the next several hours, temperatures are going to fall by about 7 o'clock. You're looking at a temperature around 64 degrees. We're still keeping the mostly clear skies around, but we are going to increase at least some cloud cover as we go throughout the night tonight. So those wind speeds, as I said, 25 miles per hour off the Gulf and Corpus Christi. Most of the area is looking at wind speeds about 15 to 20 up to 25 miles per hour. And we're going to keep this wind around for tomorrow as well. So it's not going anywhere anytime fast. By lunchtime, we're already looking at a wind of 25. It's around 23 by the time we hit 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And that warms us up yet again. We've been in the low 70s today, 77 though by tomorrow, and some locations in the Coastal Bend are likely to hit that 80-degree mark. So let's show you what's going to happen on Future Tracker, because as we go into the day tomorrow, we're going to see more of a mix of sun and clouds than what we saw today. But the real action starts to arrive tomorrow night when we see a cold front slide into the area. So here it is by midnight tomorrow night. Cold front is just now entering the Coastal Bend. There's not a lot of rain associated with it, but there is at least something, a very thin line of showers. So this isn't going to be much in the way of significant rainfall for us. You see as it moves through, we do keep some patches of green showing up on the radar, but there's not going to be a whole lot of heavy or significant rain. So I wouldn't expect a big gully washer out of this one. Then as we get into the day on Wednesday, things are going to gradually clear out, likely starting the day with cloudy skies and finishing things up with some sunshine. You can see we've got sunshine pretty much across the entire state of Texas for now, but here's where that cold front is at. So it's already in the United States. And as we head into the day tomorrow, we're actually already going to see it in the state of Texas. So then as we head into, say, tomorrow night, there's going to be a lot more cold air funneling into parts of the Panhandle and then central Texas. The cold front moves through and the cold air slides right down into South Texas. Now the Houston area will have the chance to see a little bit of wintry precipitation on Wednesday morning. That's not going to be a concern for us though, fortunately, in the Coastal Bend. Then we have another cold front coming through by late in the day on Thursday. This, as I said, is going to just be keeping it comfortable. You're not going to see a drop in temperatures or really much of a change in the wind. It's just going to keep the temperatures in check right there around 70 degrees. The rain for the next 7 days is likely to be more significant over the Houston area, as I showed. When that cold front comes through, it's just some light rain, so we may be talking a couple of tenths of an inch. So extended forecast as we go throughout the next couple of days. It's going to be that mix of sun and clouds, quick chance of rain very early Wednesday morning. We're chilly on Wednesday, around 57 degrees, getting down to 34 in Corpus Christi very early Thursday morning, 67 throughout the day on Thursday, keeping the sunshine around for Friday. Another weak front moves through Saturday into Sunday once again. Not really changing temperatures too much, just keeping them in check. Drew?
Cole, thank you.